Hello guys, do you know that you can make your own cough syrup at home with these three ingredients you are seeing on your screen now? With this lemon, onions and honey, you can make your own perfect cough syrup at home, guys. First, I'm going to start by washing my onions. When you are making this recipe, you don't have to remove the peel of your onions. All you need to do is to wash your onions very well. So guys, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do me well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. To my old returning subscriber, you are welcome. I really appreciate you guys. The next thing I'm going to do now is to cut my onions. I'm going to be cutting these onions into 8 pieces, guys. You can cut it any pieces of your choice, but not too small. I will be adding 1.5 cup of water. After then, I will leave it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is after 15 to 20 minutes, guys. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to sieve out the juice of the lemon, guys. Now I will sieve out the onions water. After sieving out the onions water, I then go ahead to add my honey. I'm going to be adding 3 spoons of honey. At this point, I'm going to be mixing everything together. Okay, let me leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.